Mohe opande nus milion pod odiwo e apise mag piny owacho tok jogo manondikore mar yudo opande go jwang'ogi kendo rem kawgi. Magi oyangi gi jagoro mong'ere migawo mar ndikruok mar oganda Julius Bitok. Bende oyango ni kad mag maisha maromo milion 3 osechwal ne gi jogo mane ondikore mar yudo kad ma kamago. Okwayo jo Kenya mondo mi owuog oko kendo kaw opande mag-gi. Kinde ma magi timore, Bitok olawo ni chenro dhi mbele mar yawo kuonde kawo obok mag wuoth kata passport e boma ma Garissa chieng' tich ang'wen jumani.
I would like to update the country that we have also made very good progress on Maisha cards. Maisha card is a third generation ID. It's having the latest technology in as far as security is concerned. Right now, we have been able to issue 3 million cards to fellow Kenyans around the country. There are many Kenyans who have applied for their IDs and they are lying in our NRB offices around the country. We have 400,000 IDs uncollected all over the country. I want to call upon fellow Kenyans. Let us collect our IDs. In addition to that, I also want to say that the government has started rolling out the digital ID. And I'm happy to note that you no longer need to carry your physical ID. You can actually get your ID uploaded in your phone so that you carry your digital ID, which is the modern ID for all Kenyans.